Stained glass is colored glass as a material or works created from it. Although it is traditionally made in flat panels and used as windows, stained glass art can be traced from what historical period? Ayan. Ulitin ko na naman yung aking strategy kung paano ka hinihimay-himay yung mga question. Kasi minsan nakakalito na ang haba-haba ng question, napaka-wordy, ang dami-daming mga nilagay na mga words na nakakalito. So, if that is the case, na nalilito ka sa question, you focus your attention to the last part. Stained glass art can be traced from what historical period? By just reading that, you can already answer the question na hindi ka nako-confuse. Well, it is adapted in the modern art. It can also be a romantic or classical art kasi encompassing siya. However, stained glass art were first done or first seen or observed during the medieval era in Europe. So, ibig sabihin ng medieval, these are the Middle Ages. Ito yung panahon ng Black Plague. Ayan. It's also the time of the 100 Years' War. Light becomes a medium. Pag nandun ka na sa loob ng simbahan at natatamaan ng ilaw yung stained glass art, then it becomes a colorful panel. And this happened because of the dogma or the rule of the church na anything that is outside the church is sinful.